unjustified and unreasonable. These were the firm words used by Ministry of External Affairs in response to President Donald Trump's recent social media post where he criticized India for importing oil from Russia. Donald Trump said India is not only buying massive amount of Russian oil, they are then for much of the oil purchase selling it on open market for big profits. Trump is talking about big profits is irony. He then added that because of this, he would substantially increase the tariff price paid by the India to the US, an open threat to India. Just a few hours after this post, India has responded sharply by posting an official statement. In an official statement by Ministry of External Affairs, the Indian government reminded the international community that its import from Russia only increased after global oil flows were redirected following the outbreak of the Ukraine war. The press release further explains that Western countries including US and European Union have continued trading with Russia despite their public stance. According to the press release, the European Union had 67.5 billion euros in bilateral goods trade with Russia in 2024. In addition, it conducted more than 17 billion euro in service trade with Russia in 2023. Where the United States is concerned, it continues to import uranium hexafluoride from Russia for its nuclear industry. Meanwhile, India's trade with Russia remains significantly lower and driven solely by national energy security and the need to keep energy affordable for Indian customers. India posed a bold and clear question to the world. If Europe and US can trade with Russia for big profits, why can't India do so to ensure affordable energy for 1.4 billion people? This is not about politics, this is about priorities.